Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel Bullets Garage. Today I got an exciting video for you guys. As you can see in the mirror reflection, this has been my current setup that I've made all my videos on the channel with. iPhone 7 Plus and a wide angle-ish lens, and that's what I've been using on this tripod. Funky looking thing, but I made it work. But in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing of the next camera system that I got that I'm going to be using for more video and more content on the channel. Check it out. Alright guys, there it is. I got a GoPro Hero 6 Black Edition. I'm going to do a quick unboxing so you can see the camera. But this is what I'm going to be providing more content for the YouTube channel with. I'm super excited. Let's get to taking this bad boy out and see what we got inside this box. Ooh-wee. Look at that. This is my first GoPro, so I'm pretty excited. Inside the box, we got a little piece of paper, some GoPro stickers, instructions, the battery, two different kinds of mounts for it, USB-C connector, and then you have the GoPro itself that comes with its outer housing. And that's basically it for what's in the box. Alright guys, so as the GoPro is charging right now, I'm going to go over a few of the features about the GoPro. So originally when these came out they were $500. They're on sale now for $399. The slow-mo is 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 240 frames per second, so that's going to equal some smooth slow-mo shots that I can't wait to do. It has internal image stabilization, touch to zoom, so on the back of the camera there's a little lever, or like on the touch screen, up and down zooms in and out, which is great. The nighttime performance supposed to be improved over the Hero 5. Quick Stories is a new feature that they added, so you can make quick videos, but I'm probably not going to do that since I edit all my own stuff. New GP1 chip, which offers 2 times the performance of the Hero 5. And the cool thing is it has a voice command. So if right now, let's pretend I was recording on the GoPro and I'll say, GoPro, start recording, it will start recording, and vice versa, tell it to stop, which is actually pretty cool. You don't have to be by the camera to press a button. You could be doing something somewhere else. But that's why I chose the Hero 6. I was tired of recording on my iPhone, and let's say I'm making a video and somebody calls you and the video stops recording. Then you gotta go back, see where you left off, start recording another video again. It was just a hassle. The phone is big and heavy and bulky, so I can't really position it in certain angles where I need it to be. The GoPro is super small and simple, so it's just gonna be better overall video quality, maneuverability, and ease of use, honestly, because I always have issues getting my videos from my iPhone to my laptop. Like sometimes the file is corrupt when it gets transferred. It takes an hour sometimes to transfer the file. So I was fed up with the iPhone issues that I was having transferring my data. That was the main issue. So GoPro Hero 6 Black, can't wait to start using it. The next video that I'm gonna make is with that camera while it's charging right now. I also got an accessory kit for it, so let me show you that right now. Let's see what's inside this bad boy, because I haven't seen either, you know. Got ourselves a few boxes to open up here. Alright, this looks like it is a very nice carrying case for all the equipment that we're going to have. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Let's see if there's anything in here, if it's all prepackaged in the other box. So it has a few things. A strap, I believe this is the head mount. Couple window mounts. Another mount. Another kind of mount. A little handheld. Which is also pretty cool. Let's see what's in the other box. If it would want to open. Ooh, more goodies, more goodies, more goodies. Let's see. So this is, I believe, the body strap that you strap on your body, and you have the GoPro sitting around here as you're recording everything. Pretty cool. Another window mount. A couple other smaller mounts. Little floaty for when you're in the ocean doing some water shoots, which is going to be pretty cool because I'm going on a vacation soon. Woohoo! Hello, Mexico! So I'm going to be using this. There's some kind of more stuff that I don't know what they are. And another longer selfie stick, it looks like. So that's what comes in the box. I got the accessory kit. I figured since I'm going to be making more videos and using the GoPro, why not have all the accessories that you need with it to make it happen. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. But GoPro Hero 6 is the camera that I chose to get. I did my research on the action cameras. There's different Sonys and the Yi camera, but I decided to go with what's most known, most reputable. So I chose GoPro. Hopefully I didn't make a wrong decision, but I'm happy with it. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It's very important. If you do, it shows me that you want to see more videos. Love you guys. Take care. See you on the next one.